as the footsteps grew louder. He pulled back the curtain with a shaking hand and saw... Hi, Mom. Hi, sweetie. How was writing club? Sigh. I'm thinking of dropping out. Dropping out? But you were so excited to join. That was before I knew Principal Huggins was in charge.
To apostrophize or not to apostrophize, that is the question, and a complex one at that. Today, I've got a fun writing assignment for you about the dangers of misusing the semicolon. Now pay close attention. Make sure you're holding the pencil at the proper angle. No, Amir, you're at least 3 degrees off.
When do we get to actually write?
Fundamentals before fun, young lady. Now let's see your erasing technique.
Sigh. Writing used to be my passion. Now I don't even enjoy penning a simple eulogy. What is Principal Huggins thinking? Writing isn't about rules. It's about being creative, getting inspired, taking risks, expressing your feelings and ideas. Mom, the light's green. Yes.
Back.
I see that. Point is, I am going to talk to your principal. Oh, sorry, Mrs. Loud.
Back.
Mrs. Loud is here with some suggestions for the writing club. She's a genuine author. I just had a few ideas to get the kids more excited about writing.
Oh, so now my work with the writing club is mediocre too. Well, if you're such an expert, maybe you should try running it yourself.
I would love to.
Oh, I was being sarcastic. But then again, it would free up time for me to find ways to improve my rating.
Thank you, Principal Huggins. I won't let you down.
Maybe I could institute a school-wide no slouching policy.
Back.
And here's where you can set up for this week's meeting. Just give me a jingle if you need anything.
Just stay there,
Principal Huggins conducts surprise posture checks.
Dombrowski, shoulders back. Everything you need to lead the club is in here. Stick to the book.
Were the all caps necessary? Let's see. Common adverb errors. Noun versus pronouns. Snooze.
Mrs. Loud, Lucy's mom.
What are you doing here? I'm taking over the writing club for a while. Does everyone have their textbooks? Great. Well, you can put them away because we're going on a field trip.
We've never gone on a field trip.
Well, I was thinking we could venture out to find some poetic inspiration. Flips, what's poetic about a convenience store? You might be surprised. Now, I want you to take note of everything you see, smell, taste, touch, and hear. Does it matter how we hold our pencils? Not one bit.
Back.
Summer rain, spring daffodil, pickle eggs.
The way the sour cherry swirls into the black licorice reminds me of a sunset over the cemetery. I've heard these sounds before, but I've never really listened.
Flip. His past may be murky. His tooth may be jerky. But I think he's just quirky. Flip.
Nice job, Amir. Hey, does anyone have a rhyme for flippy? Hippie, drippy, Mississippi. Love.
To the new and improved writing club.
To the new and improved writing club. Everyone, pick an animal, then try writing a story through its eyes. Yes, I sense our connection too.
Oh, why the heck would you want to hear my story?
Every life can inspire art, Scoots.
Sounds a little cray, but fine. I was born in a stolen ice cream truck. Mama was jonesing for some rocky road and wasn't taking no for an answer.
Before you guys go home, I just want to say how proud I am of the brilliant work you've been doing. You deserve a chance to show it off. So next week's field trip is an extra special one. Open mic Thursday at the Burnt Bean.
Back.
That coffee house in the cool part of Fern Valley. That's right. College students hang out there. Now get out of here, you creative geniuses.
Oh, right after Mom let me for this fedora.
Thanks, Mom, for everything.
Back.
Today's the day. How's everyone feeling? Nervous? Excited? A little bit of both?
Back.
Surname ends in an ES. In which case, the preceding rule does not apply.
What?
You see, Principal
Not
Huggins,
again.
this is exactly what I...
Oh, gee.
Let's get out of here.
Get out of the room.
Okay, everybody. Let's give it up for Bud Grouse and his poem, My Yard, My Property. Okay, last call for any more performers in the house.
Yes! There's a whole van load of talented young writers right here.
Oh, okay, cool. All right, then. Come on up.
This is it, guys. Have fun.
Sorry, sir. This is a new golf cart zone.
No golf cart zone. I've never heard of anything like that.
Listen, bro. Unless you're the kind of guy who isn't into following rules.
Oh, no. I love rules.
Well, great. There's a golf cart parking 50 blocks that way.
50 blocks.
Yep.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. No problem, lady.
The hot dog sizzle. The nacho cheese goes plop. In the snack aisle it flips. The symphony never stops. Thank you.
All right, let's hear it.
Back.
Bernadette Chen, I can explain what these kids are doing in such a seedy establishment, for which you have a t-shirt and a frequent customer bug.
Huggins, I'm impressed. I don't know what you've been doing in that writing club, but you've clearly inspired these kids.
Back.
Average. Me?
You've earned it.
Actually, I haven't. This is the woman to whom all credit belongs.
Really? Well done, madam.
Thank you. But, you know, Principal Huggins deserves credit too. He's given the students a very thorough education in the fundamentals, which are just as important as the fun.
Well, sounds like you two should run the club together.
Together?
Something to think about.
Okay.
All right, students, can anyone tell me what a gerund is?
A verb that acts as a noun.
Always ending in ing.
Excellent. Now let's practice writing them. Take it away, Mrs. Loud.
Roger!
Wow, Lucy, your mom can write? Before you can else?
Okay.
All right, who's got a gerund? Nice! Let's write! Oh, I love writing.
Sorry.
Good one! Hurdling, as in toward the earth.
Footbread?
Like